Oh, today I have Hyundai E30 with check engine lights on. Check engine light. We scan for fault codes, and we have this fault code with turbocharger solenoid circuit. Now it's history, but it was current P0047. Okay, let's go checking for solenoid circuit. It's a little bit cold outside. It's 1.6 diesel engine. Turbo solenoid. Okay, turbo here. Let's take its cover. Let's find solenoid. It's vacuum solenoid, vacuum controller turbo, so vacuum pipes here, here, and this is our solenoid. Problem with circuit. First we can measure, because it's two wires. One wire is plus 12 volts and other wire is control wire from engine ECU. Engine ECU here. Oh, firstly, let's take a look at this. This is something wrong. A little bit green. Oh, look at that. I think I found our problem. Wire completely broken. Oh. I think it's really our problem, because one time no fault codes, car driving fine, and another day a problem appears and no turbo. Okay, let's fix this wire and we check later. So I repair the wires. And we already have a test drive. Everything okay. No fault codes. No engine light. Car running very great. And that's our fix.